In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. If you've ever tried to collect signatures with a standard Google form, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in signature field. The good news is you can add that capability using a trusted add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. I'll walk you through the setup and show you how to capture signatures right inside your form. Start with your form open. At the top right, click the three dots to open the More menu. From there, choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace in a panel. In the search bar, type Signature. You'll see a list of tools built specifically to bring signing into forms. Look for the one called Signature in Google Forms by Bolo. Sign PDF and select it. On its listing page, you'll see it presented as Sign PDFs, Create PDF Templates for Signing, Bolo. Go ahead and install it. During installation, you may be asked to pick your Google account and review permissions. Read them carefully so you understand what the add-on can access, then confirm to finish installing. If your organization manages add-ons, you may need admin approval. Otherwise, it should complete in a few moments. Once installed, return to your form. At the top, click the Puzzle Piece Add-ons icon. In the menu that appears, choose Sign PDFs, Create PDF Templates for Signing, Bolo, and then click Open. This launches the add-ons sidebar alongside your form where you can configure signature options. In the sidebar, click Take Signature. This opens the signature capture area. Here you can try out your signature by drawing with your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you have one. If the first attempt isn't clear, simply try again until it looks the way you want. Aim for a smooth, legible stroke so it's easy to verify later. The add-on will place the signature field into your form flow so respondents can sign when they fill it out. A few quick tips as you finish up. Make sure your form's instructions clearly tell respondents they'll be asked to sign, and consider reminding them to use a consistent full name signature. If the add-on sidebar doesn't appear right away, refresh the Form tab and try opening it again from the puzzle piece icon. And remember, while electronic signatures are widely accepted, requirements can vary by region and use case, so confirm your organization's policies if you're collecting signatures for official documents. That's it. You've added electronic signatures to your Google form using the Bolo add-on, and you're ready to start collecting signed responses with ease.